Hi everyone, I'm Eric. Welcome sa Shop ng Grit. We'll be creating a series of videos talking about our products para maging mas madali sa inyo when you're purchasing online. So for this video, we'll be talking about the Grit Daily Trousers. Okay, everyone, here's a sample of the daily trousers made from breathable polyester. The waistline is garterized and stretchable. Meron din siyang inner belt that's also stretchable. The fabric itself is stretchable. No? Multi-panel design for extra durability and slim fit ang design ng daily trousers natin. It comes with 8 pockets and the protection included dito sa daily trousers are knee protection or knee pads. Ito yung knee pocket niya. That's secured with the Velcro. Now, if you have standard size knee pads, pasok yan dito. It also has an adjustment para sa leg opening niya. Now, the daily trousers are not waterproof, but it's quick drying. No? Now, for proper care, hand wash is enough. Now, kung gagamitan nyo talaga ng washing machine, make sure that hindi siya nakabaliktad. Make sure that it's right side up. Okay? Ako, pag hindi naman long ride pag ginamit ko siya, hindi naman long ride, hindi naman siya nadumihan or nabasa, hindi ko siya nilalaban every time. Sinasampay ko lang, binabaliktad ko, sinasampay ko lang, and since it's breathable, hindi siya makate pag ginamit ko ulit. So those are the details for the daily trousers. Now we can move on to its measurements. Okay, now para sa measurements, first and foremost, Grit is a local brand. So lahat ng produkto namin dito sa Grit are made here locally. So ang sizing natin are Asian sizing, no? So madaling ma-measure pagka nag-i-inquire kayo about the products. Now, when we say true to measurements, ibig sabihin eksakto siya sa measuring tape. For example, this is a medium daily trouser. Ang waistline ng medium namin is 33 to 35 in circumference. So when using a measuring tape, pag sinagad ko tong garter na to, it will reach to 18 inches. So in circumference, ang pinakasagad ng medium namin is 36. Now, since garterized yung waist niya and meron siyang inner belt, na-adjust nyo siya hanggat sa pinakamaliit na size niya. Now, when it comes to the length, yung medium natin, outseam to, yung medium natin, length niya is 37. Pasok na pasok para sa height ng mga Filipinos. Right? So, for example, I'm 5'4", 5'5" in height. Tapos ang weight ko is 135 pounds. I can fit sa extra small. Kasi ang extra small namin is 27 to 29. Pinakasagad niya 30. My waist is size 30. Pero I prefer wearing a small. Mas gusto ko yung fit sa akin, pero sakto pa rin siya sa knees ko for the knee protection. Now, pag nag-i-inquire kayo regarding the daily trousers, sana pagka tinanong kayo ng waistline, please do not base it dun sa mga pants na gamit nyo. Mas maganda and it will be easier for us para ma-determine yung size nyo if you give us the proper measurement of your waistline. Your height and your weight will also help, no? So, when it comes to choosing the right size for the daily trousers, hindi masyadong mahirap. Basta alam nyo lang yung tamang sizing nyo, then 95% tama yung ibibigay naming size sa inyo. Okay, everyone. So, that's it for the daily trousers video. I hope makatulong sa inyo when you're purchasing online. This is my son, Ivan. Siya yung nagre-reply sa mga inquiries nyo sa Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for all your support. Maraming salamat. Sana makatulong pa kami sa inyo sa mga susunod na mga videos namin. And ride safe And in life, never back down.